The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southern Fond du Lac County and east central Wisconsin, northern Dodge County and southeastern Wisconsin until 9 p.m. At 8:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Waupun, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Fond du Lac, Beaver Dam, Waupun, Mayville, Lomira, Campbellsport, Oakfield, Burnett, Ashford, Byron, Fox Lake, Eden, Brownsville, Kikoski, Atwater, Astico, Oak Center, Geneva, Waukesta, and Knowles. Other landmarks included are the following location: Horicon Marsh. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Has created 11 other churches on his way to creating 50 churches.